Hey there, music lovers and DJ. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in DJ gear. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of DJ controllers to find the best one in 2023. Get ready to discover the ultimate tool for DJ, packed with innovative features, seamless integration, and unparalleled performance. Join us as we unveil the TECHATOP contender for the title of the best DJ controller in 2023, a game changer that will take your DJing skills to new heights. Let's get this party started. Number 1. The Denon DJ SC Live 4 is an impressive standalone DJ controller that offers a range of features to enhance your DJ performances. With the Denon DJ, an Amazon Music partnership, you can access over 100 million songs from various genres through Amazon Music Unlimited, providing you with an extensive library to choose from. What sets this controller apart is its laptop-free functionality. You can perform like a pro without the need for a computer, thanks to Engine DJ OS. Simply load your music tracks via the SD slot or the two USB inputs and control everything using the 7-inch touchscreen. The SC Live 4 is compatible with Serato DJ Pro and Virtual DJ, ensuring seamless integration between hardware and software. The immersive audio experience is elevated by the built-in speakers, allowing you to enjoy powerful sound wherever you go. Professional connectivity options, including microphone ins, XLR and RCA main outs, and a 1x4-inch booth out, make it easy to connect to various DJ equipment. The controller also features a club-style layout, 17 internal effects, and exciting DJ lighting effects for an enhanced mixing experience. If you're looking for a versatile and feature-packed DJ controller, the Denon DJ SC Live 4 is an excellent choice. Number 2. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is a feature-packed DJ controller that offers everything you need to elevate your DJing skills. With its built-in 24-bit audio interface and plug-and-play USB connectivity, it seamlessly integrates with both Mac and PC systems, making it a complete Serato DJ system. The standout feature of this controller is the large 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels with high-resolution color displays. These displays provide essential information such as BPM, platter position, time remaining, and pitch adjustment, allowing you to visualize your DJ mix with precision. Personalizing your DJ set is a breeze with 6 fun and quick launch effects, dual paddle triggers, dedicated instant low OP controls, and 8 performance pads per deck for accessing cues, loops, fader cuts, and samples. The Mixtrack Platinum FX also offers seamless track browsing and streaming directly within Serato DJ Lite from leading providers like SoundCloud and Tidal, giving you access to millions of tracks. In terms of connectivity, it features a microphone input, headphone output, and RCA output for connecting to DJ speakers. The mixer section includes a 3-band EQ, filter knobs, channel faders, and a crossfader for precise control. With its compatibility and extensive feature set, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is a solid choice for DJ of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this controller provides the tools you need to create impressive DJ performances. Number 3. The Numark Mixstream Pro Plus is a versatile standalone DJ controller that offers a wide range of features for DJ on the go. With built-in speakers, 6-inch jog wheels, and Wi-Fi connectivity, it allows you to play and mix wherever you are. One of the standout features is the integration with Amazon Music Unlimited, Tidal, Beatport Link, BeatSource Link, and SoundCloud. You can access over 100 million high-quality songs directly on the 2 DJ decks, eliminating the need for a computer. The controller supports SD cards, USB drives, Rekordbox library, and streaming apps, giving you multiple options to load and mix tracks. The 7-inch touchscreen with adjustable brightness provides intuitive control over your mixes, while the hardware-to-software integration with Serato DJ and Virtual DJ ensures a seamless DJing experience. The Mixstream Pro Plus also offers wireless control of DJ lights compatible with Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, and DMX lights, and features onboard speakers with dedicated volume control. The fully featured mixer includes a crossfader, 3-band EQ, and volume controls for the 2 decks, with multiple inputs and outputs, including USB ports as the media slot, balanced XLR main outputs, RCA main outputs, and microphone input. You have versatile connectivity options. The Numark Mixstream Pro Plus continues to evolve with the ever-growing Engine OS functions, including expressive touch effects, new effects, playlist organization, improved Dr. OP sampler functionality, and remote library control. Overall, the Mixstream Pro Plus offers a compact and feature-rich DJ controller for DJ who want flexibility, portability, and a seamless mixing experience. Number 4. The Pioneer DDJ Revone is a professional 2-deck DJ controller designed specifically for use with Serato DJ Lite and Pro. It features a battle-style setup that keeps everything organized and easily accessible, making it a favorite among DJ. One of the standout features of the DDJ Revone is its larger jog wheels, which allow for more precise scratching. Pioneer DJ listened to customer feedback and optimized the controller with bigger jog wheels, ensuring that turntablists can achieve split-second perfection in their sets. The tracking scratch function is another handy feature that automatically snaps back to cue points when the jog wheel is moved backward, making cue point navigation seamless. The DDJ Revone also boasts a 1x4-inch unbalanced microphone input, eliminating the need for additional hardware. This ensures that DJ can easily integrate a microphone into their performances without any hassle. The controller comes with Serato DJ Lite software, and a 14-day trial of Serato DJ Pro is included as well. This allows DJ to explore the full capabilities of the software and make an informed decision before upgrading to the Pro version. Overall, the Pioneer DDJ Revone is a top-notch DJ controller that delivers exceptional scratching capabilities and seamless integration with Serato DJ software. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DJ, this controller offers the features and performance you need to elevate your sets. Number 5. The Pioneer DDJ FLX4 is a versatile 2-deck DJ controller that offers compatibility with multiple DJ software, including Rekordbox, Serato DJ Lite, and J. It provides a seamless DJ setup by connecting your PC or Mac to the controller. The controller is also compatible with iOS or Android devices, allowing you to connect via Bluetooth or USB cable when using Rekordbox for iOS or Android. The layout of the controls on the DDJ FLX4 is inherited from professional Pioneer DJ products, making it easy to learn and use. The compact design ensures portability, making it ideal for practicing or performing on the go. For beginners, the Smart Fader feature automatically adjusts volume, bass volume, and BPM, facilitating smooth transitions between tracks. The Smart CFX feature allows you to apply a combination of effects with a simple knob turn, adding excitement to your sound. The DDJ FLX4 offers compatibility with various streaming services, giving you access to millions of tracks from platforms like Tidal, Beatport Streaming, BeatSource Streaming, and SoundCloud Go+. You can also use the effects and performance features to enhance your favorite songs and create your own unique sound. With a built-in sound card, the DDJ FLX4 connects directly to speakers or amplifiers, and it can be used for live streaming performances. It is USB bus powered, eliminating the need for an external power source. The controller features performance pads for triggering hot cues, pad effects, beat jumps, and the sampler. It has a built-in audio interface, allowing you to record directly to Rekordbox using a USB connection. Additionally, it is class compliant, requiring no additional audio driver installation. Overall, the Pioneer DDJ FLX4 is a feature-packed DJ controller that offers versatility, convenience, and a user-friendly design. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DJ, this controller provides a solid platform for unleashing your creativity and delivering impressive performances. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.